I'm Naama Tamir, co-owner of Lighthouse in Brooklyn and Lighthouse Outpost in Manhattan.
I'm Assaf Tamir, also an owner of Lighthouse and Lighthouse Outpost.
The journey of opening Lighthouse started when my brother and I were just working together in different restaurants in the city, going to eat together and then having conversation and discussions about the state of the industry, what kind of food are we eating, and the overall experience. And I think over many years we've developed our own style and what we wanted to see in the industry. And then when we felt like we graduated, we wanted to sort of see that vision come to life. We wanted to do things our way.
Over the course of a few years working and living in New York, we couldn't find a place that serves the food that we wanted to eat pretty much all the time, but in an atmosphere that we wanted to be eating that kind of food. We were searching for a place like this, like Lighthouse, and we couldn't find one. So we decided to open one ourselves.
It's not just about making money, it really is about creating a special place where there's education and patience and family and all these things come together. When people ask us what kind of restaurant Lighthouse is, I usually say that it's a philosophy-driven restaurant rather than cuisine. And our values are around feeding people food that is good for them, that is nutritious and healthy, but also delicious in a fun atmosphere. That it's a safe place for our staff, for our guests. It's part of the reason why we picked the name Lighthouse. It's about treating the environment properly. It's really a more mindful, holistic endeavor, and we essentially hope to create a place with better energy and kind of like have a little bit of an energetic shift. A place where people can come together and be a part of a community and feel really great about drinking here, eating here, being a part of Lighthouse and part of our community. I think profitability is of course one of the most important things in the restaurant, but I think it has different tiers. To us, part of it is also enjoying coming in here every day and being really respected and loved by our team. So one, I think Lighthouse has a different set of values than some other places. We call it the multiple bottom line business, where the well-being of our staff, the well-being of the planet, our practices are sort of wrapped into the financial aspect as well. But apart from that, there are definitely just complete financial advantages as well. You get to retain your staff for much longer because they believe in your goal, because they love coming in here, because they feel comfortable, because they've worked in so many other restaurants where they weren't treated the same. And I think it becomes very clear very quickly that this is, a lot of places call themselves a family, but this truly is.